Let's talk about how Microsoft Copilot is changing the way businesses work. Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant embedded across popular Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, Outlook, and Teams. It works seamlessly alongside you, helping you draft documents, summarize data, and even create professional presentations with just a few prompts. What makes Copilot stand out is how it understands your work context, allowing it to suggest content, streamline tasks, and speed up decision-making processes. Imagine having a virtual assistant that not only handles repetitive tasks, but also empowers your team to focus on what really matters: strategy and innovation. Whether you're generating insights from complex data or crafting a compelling proposal, Copilot delivers the assistance you need when you need it. If your organization uses Microsoft 365, Copilot is like having an extra team member who's always ready to lend a hand, ready to take your productivity to the next level. Get in touch with AlphaClick IT Solutions to see how Microsoft Copilot can be integrated into your workflow,